Okay, good. And now Gayatri. Yes, so business analysis is step-by-step process, and every step has a lot of tools and techniques. Okay, it's good to learn them and be successful. Any question you have for me? Hello? Okay. Haji, thank you. I'm logging off now. Okay.
What I learned is the chances of project getting failed. How does it fails and how can we recover it?
What are the what are the steps to involve in the business and how to move forward is the things I have learned today, sir.
No, sir. Thank you.
Yes, Saji, I'm going from. So, good evening, all. I'm excited to share our We Launch to Live opportunities that are currently available with us. So, I'm just sharing, just giving the glimpse here. So, I'll share you the website of our company, that is www.velaunchu.com. And get inside our if you get to know inside our website, you can see our homepage, and you can go you can see our company profile there, and what are the clients we are currently working for. And moving forward, I'll share you the job website, that is jobs website, in the chat box, and I'll pin it now. And if you go inside into the jobs, you can see our job which are currently available with us. So now currently we are focusing on perform marketing and key account manager. And so we are working for MNC as well, that is for solar project engineers. So we have a number of openings and opportunities which are available for the fresher and experienced candidates. And yeah, if you get inside the link, you can directly apply. Once you applied, we will be notified with your link. So we directly contact you back, and you will get a mail over there, and we receive your profile accordingly with the portals which are currently using. So I'll share you the link over chat box right now. So I have shared in chat box. If you get inside the link, you can see what are the live jobs which are currently available with us. So you can just go and use this opportunity. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, thank you.